Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Shuffle on Spotify. First, open Spotify and make sure you are signed in. Now, select any song or playlist that you want to play. Start playing the music and open the Now Playing screen. Here, you will see several playback controls, including the previous, play, and next buttons. Look for the Shuffle icon. It looks like two crossing arrows. Click or tap the Shuffle icon once to turn Shuffle on. When Shuffle is active, Spotify will play the songs in a random order instead of following the normal playlist order. You can use Shuffle with playlists, albums, or other supported music. If you want to turn Shuffle off, simply click or tap the Shuffle icon again. The icon will return to its normal inactive state, and Spotify will continue playing songs in the regular order. Keep in mind that the exact location of the Shuffle button can be slightly different depending on whether you are using Spotify on a computer, phone, or web browser. If you cannot see the Shuffle button, open the full Now Playing screen and check the playback controls. So to turn on Shuffle, simply open your music, start playing a song, find the Shuffle icon and click it. That's how to turn on Shuffle on Spotify in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.